Hey, I'm Matt with Meat Church here in Dallas, Texas. We're at the home of the SMU Mustangs. We're going to feed the football team barbecue after their practice today. Well, we're feeling super blessed to be cooking for all these football teams in the middle of their camps, getting ready for the fall. You know, we went out to Oxnard and fed the Cowboys, then we went to Tuscaloosa and fed the Crimson Tide, and now we're here near our hometown in Dallas. We got a lot of connections to SMU, so excited to be here. But, you know, it's challenging to feed a football team. I often tell people I'm not a content creator. Well, yes, content creation is a small piece of what I do, but when you go to cater for a football team, it's a crazy amount of food, and we've learned it actually takes more to feed a college team than it does a pro team. Pro guys may or may not come eat the food. You know, if you make $30 million a year, you might just get in the car and head to Del Frisco's or something. But college guys, they live here. They're on a little different pay scale. And after a scrimmage, these boys can eat, and then they come back for more and come back for more. So, you know, when they say it's going to be for 200, we normally prepare for over 300. The worst thing in the world is to run out of food. We've got an amazing spread for these guys tonight. Obviously, we're gonna hit them with our Texas brisket. The Mustangs have guys from all over the country. Center just came down from Oklahoma, said he loves Texas barbecue. So we're hitting them with our famous Texas brisket seasoned with Holy Cow. We've got our turkey for the lighter option. You know, we always like to have a lighter option for skill players, guys like that don't want to eat too heavy. And it's our Texas turkey, so it's a big old turkey breast resting in butter. That might not be that light. Special request, our pork belly burn-ins. We seasoned them up, smoked them to perfection, and we've glazed them with an apple cherry habanero pepper jelly. Super delicious, one of my favorite things that we make. We're one of the first people to make pork belly burn-ins, so excited to feed that to these guys tonight. And then they requested a ton of sides. We've got potato salad, we've got our famous pit beans, we've got mac and cheese as always, and then collard greens, a huge favorite of mine when we're feeding football teams, so something that we love to serve. Can't wait to see what these guys think after practice.
Matt Pittman with Meat Church. If you guys who likes barbecue in the house? Anybody? Raise them high. Okay. So, pitmaster, marketing guru, whatever you want to call him, he's the best in the world. The best in the world. Brisket, ribs, all these crazy stuff, all right? But the best way I figured I could introduce him to you was start with this video he did last year after you guys won a game that involved the skillet.
Even Sunny Dykes likes frog legs. Well, yeah. Thanks, Coach. Excited to be here. Obviously, I own Meat Church. If you don't know us, I would say look us up on Instagram. We're all about just, you know, teaching you to make great food. We sell barbecue seasoning. We actually don't have a restaurant on purpose so that I can be free to do whatever I want. So I'm the official pitmaster of the Cowboys. I went out to Oxnard. The Cowboys hauled one of my smokers all the way to California for me to cook for the team 2 weeks ago. We're super exclusive, so the only way y'all get me is because I'm friends with this guy and would never say no to him. But we're only cooking for 3 teams this fall. The Cowboys, we cooked for a team in Tuscaloosa last week, and super excited to cook for you guys tonight. So if you work hard, you get really good barbecue. If you don't work hard, I guess you're gonna have peanut butter jelly. So I'll see you guys after the scrimmage. Ooh.
I appreciate you.
Well, thank you. Thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Love it. Oh, awesome. This is sick.
Appreciate it.
We got you a helmet.
I'm glad my 13-year-old's not here, or he would have taken this from me. So, hey, I came to most games last year, so very excited to be here. My favorite was when you kicked TCU's ass, and I watched their coach walk off the field. That was amazing. So, thank you. SMU is pretty special to me. I got a lot of friends here. As I mentioned, I'm friends with Coach Lashley. He's asked me to do this a number of times, and it just would never line up, and it worked out this year. But a lot of the guys on staff are fans of what we do at Meat Church. Tailgating here on the Boulevard, if you've never done it, ton of fun. We've hung out with our friend Troy Aikman at his tailgate here, and I've got a lot of great memories here. I met the legend, Eric Dickerson, here last year. At one point, they brought me in to be the celebrity of the game, which is kind of funny. I was one, Eric Dickerson was one, Aikman was one, Bryson DeChambeau was one. My name probably doesn't belong in that sentence with those guys, but I'll certainly take it. So very excited to be here, very honored, lots of fun.
If you don't mind.
We got any vegetarians here tonight? Perfect. All right, I know y'all are hungry, so I'll make it short and sweet. We've got homemade potato salad. We've got mac and cheese, of course. We've got collard greens. We have these beans called pit beans, but I call them Dak beans because every time I make them for the Cowboys, he gets thirds. They're loaded with meat. And then for the meats, we've got a Texas turkey. Don't sleep on it. If you're a skill player, like to eat lighter, that's good. We've obviously got our brisket. We brought 20 Wagyu briskets for you guys. And then only the best for SMU. And then we've got apple cherry, habanero, pork belly burn-ins. They're not hot, delicious. So hope you guys enjoy.
Hey, let's tell Matt how much we appreciate him and Meat Church, huh? All right, Kev, help Matt learn how to break us down. Put a little pressure on him.
What we're gonna say today? You say meat on the set.
Meat on set.
Meat on the set.
Meat on set?
Meat on the set.
On the set. Okay, ready? All right.
Yo, shut up. Hey, y'all be quiet, man.
All right, meat on the set.
No. Meat on the set. So it's meat on the set. Just say set.
Just say,
Yep.
okay, all right, got it.
We're gonna say meat.
All right. Big meat. Meat on the set, set. Well, that was a ton of fun. I got to tell you, it means a lot to us when people are that into our food. That's why we call it Meat Church. It's about making great memories around good food. And the coaches told me that players have never hung around that long together. So mission accomplished as these boys break camp to get ready to go into the season. If you guys like what we're doing, like and subscribe. We've got a really cool event playlist that shows us cooking for all these other teams and things we've done this summer in addition to our recipe videos. So we will see you guys next week. Pony up.